discuss about my new product, that is the wireless doorbell. This is wireless doorbell in front of you. This can be used at offices and homes. It has very long distance range, and as you will be see in the end of video. And today I'm going to discuss all the specification about this wireless doorbell. So let's start with unboxing this wireless doorbell. So first of all, we will remove the seal from here, and we will remove this box. This is the remote control, this is the alarm system, and this is the connector of socket. And remove it. And this is the switch which you will press and this alarm will on. This is the double-sided tape and some nut bolts inside this polythene. This double-sided tape will be used to connect this with the wall. You can connect this transmitter or this switch with the help of this double-sided tape to the wall. And we have one battery for this transmitter. We are going to see how can we use this wireless doorbell. This cell, as you can see, this will be connect in this switch. So how can we connect the cell to the switch? Let's see. And this is the box, and you will have to push this switch to remove the back side of this switch, and it will be removed. And then you will have to connect this cell like this. It has been connected. So it has been connected. Now it's time to test this alarm. We have one extension box for this. We will connect this receiver for this alarm to our extension box, and we will switch on. As you can see, the LED blinking is start. It means it is working. Now if we will push the switch, then there are multiple ringtones in this alarm, and we will check one by one. You can set according to your choice. And this switch will be used for the volume. As you can see, the volume has been decreased. Now volume has been decreased again, and it is the full sound of this alarm. Now I am going to show you the distance of this alarm. So let's start how it is long range. Let's see. as you have seen, this is very long distance range wireless doorbell. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please share it and hit the like button. Thank you.